Hey, what's going on, guys? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. In this video, I'm bringing another quick tip. Customer brought me an 06 Nissan Altima, had an engine misfire. So in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to diagnose that misfire. Let's go. Alright guys, in the description below, I'll put links to the parts that we use on this car. Anytime you purchase something through any of those links, a small portion helps the channel, and I appreciate that. Alright guys, the first thing I did was put my scanner on it and found out that the number 3 cylinder was misfiring. So let me show you how to check that. Get a test light and hook it to the ground side of your battery. Each coil pack is held on with a 10mm bolt. I removed one from the number 3 cylinder, that's the problem cylinder. I removed one from the number 2 cylinder, that cylinder's firing. With my test light hooked up and the bolts removed, go ahead and start your car. Now be careful doing this because you can get shocked and it doesn't feel very good. So just be careful. But let's pull the good one out. Watch this. If you push your test light here, you can see it arcing. So we know that cylinder's firing. Pull the bad cylinder out, put your test light here, there's no arc. So what we're going to do, we're going to unplug the bad cylinder, unplug the good cylinder, and we'll switch them. By doing that, we're eliminating coil packs. If the mist moves over to the number 2 cylinder, you know you have a bad coil pack. There's no fire on the cylinder here. And this one has fire. Alright guys, by checking the coil packs that way, we know we're getting the correct signal to each coil pack. It's just going to be a bad coil pack. Let's go ahead and get it swapped out. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up and test it one more time with the test light and we'll see how it does. You can already feel the difference in the engine. It is turned. Woo! Look at that spark. There you go, baby. Damn it, got you. That's what I meant by being careful. I pulled that one out there, it just arced the crap out of me. One thing to remember, if you're doing things at home, just be careful. Getting shocked like that is definitely no fun. All right, here we go. You know how you can tell it's been a job well done? Alright guys, that's it for this video. Appreciate you watching. Catch you later.